I'm Eddie O'Broy.
And I'm Aliya Mody.
We're so excited about this listing we have here in the Silver Creek Valley Country Club, and I personally love this particular unit because I have one of these as well, and I love the resort style living because when you come here, it doesn't even feel like you're living in a regular home. It feels like you're on vacation. You're in Hawaii or Mexico or somewhere tropic because you have beautiful views, a beautiful standard of living, and we can't wait to show you this property. Aliya, what do you think?
Absolutely, Eddie. It is more than 2,300 square feet. It has 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. It really feels like a single family. I can't believe how spacious is it.
It really is. And not to mention, every room has a balcony with gorgeous views. So let's take a tour.
Welcome to 5393 Silver Vista Way in San Jose's prestigious Silver Creek Valley Country Club. This stunning resort-style living space boasts a spacious 2,332 square feet of living space and features breathtaking views that add to its allure. The unit is designed with the elegant Etrusca floor plan, offering a luxurious ambiance throughout. Situated entirely upstairs on one level, it comprises of 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and an office, which can serve as a 3rd bedroom and 3 full balconies. This layout ensures optimal privacy and tranquility for residents. Upon entry, guests are greeted by lavish ambiance created by marble floors and mirrored closets that enhance the sense of space and sophistication. The office, or potential 3rd bedroom, features a charming French door, adding to the unit's architectural charm. The upgraded maple cabinets and plantation shutters throughout the condo exude timeless elegance while providing practicality and functionality. The attention to detail in every corner of this residence reflects a commitment to luxury living. One of the highlights of this property is its remarkable views of the Silver Creek Valley Country Club's clubhouse, further enhancing the sense of exclusivity and prestige associated with this location. In addition to its interior features, the location of 5393 Silver Vista Way is unbeatable. Situated in the coveted Silver Creek Country Club community, residents enjoy access to top-notch amenities, a serene upscale environment, and a swimming pool. Overall, this condo offers a rare opportunity to experience luxurious living in one of San Jose's most desirable neighborhoods, combining breathtaking views, elegant design, and unparalleled convenience. You don't want to miss this one. Thank you so much for taking a tour of our beautiful home.
As you saw, such a great opportunity. If you have any questions, that's what we're here for. Reach out to us anytime. We'll see you soon.